If you're working on an older version of Medisoft, be sure not to miss this chapter. There have been a lot of great features added since the older versions of Medisoft.
So let's start with your patient entry. When you add a new patient, you now have a suffix field. So if you have a patient who's a junior or a senior, or third or fourth, you're going to make sure that you have that information in your suffix field as opposed to having it in your last name by hitting comma and last name. If you come down a little further, you'll see an additional field's been added. For sex, they've now added an unknown field. Race, ethnicity, language, and death date have been added, and these are to use with an EMR program if you're trying to qualify for meaningful use for the stimulus reimbursement. In your
Under
case
diagnosis,
window, Allergies and Notes field is no longer contained in your Diagnosis tab. If you click over on your Comment tab, Allergies and Notes has now moved into the Comment tab. Added additional relationship to insured codes. So any situation that you would need to have a relationship to insured, most likely you will be able to find on this new list. A group name field has been added to the program. Group name is not a required field unless an insurance company requests that information from you. If you do use the group name field, you're not going to use the group number field in addition to that. So it's one or the other. You'll notice in your condition tab, they've changed first consultation date to initial treatment date. It still populates the same field on your CMS form, just the label is different on the screen.
have
Menus added to it. Your Medicaid and TRICARE tab has drop downs now in special program code, and your TRICARE and Champus tab also has drop downs that have been added. One-on-one personal training is the best way to learn how to use Medisoft. MicroWise also offers hands-on training classes here in our Paramus office. There are 3 full-day training classes available based on the level of knowledge you have of Medisoft. Day 1 is a beginner-level course covering basic functions of Medisoft, including patient entry, case entry, and office hours professional. Day 2 covers most of the billing functions of Medisoft, including transaction entry, claim management, and patient statements. Day 3 is our advanced user course covering features like security and permissions, fee schedule setup, and custom report design. Hands-on training class dates are posted on our website at www.microwise.com. Click on Training and Hands-on Training Seminars, where you can register for any or all of the classes and download and view our hands-on training guide. I hope to see you at a future MicroWise hands-on training class.